Hello everyone, welcome back, and if you are new to my channel, TechG is all about the latest techs and gadgets. With today's video, we are going to have a look at another great custom wall light from Govee. This is the Govee Glide wall light with RGBIC option, which allow you to experience beautiful color combinations and following multicolor effects. If you are looking to add some extra vibes to your gaming room or to your desk setup, this Glide wall light is perfect one to try. If you are fancy getting one, please check the product link in the description down below. Well, without further ado, let's get started. In terms of the packaging, the product came inside this well-detailed retail box. You can see the picture of the product as well as some key features are printed alongside with the QR code for the smart app download. Let's check what you get inside the box. You get a user guide with some paperwork on the top, 6 separate parts of the wall light, a power adapter, 90-degree connector, and last the control unit. In terms of the design and the build, all these parts are made out of plastic. You can see the soft diffuser on each part and has command strips attached for the wall mount. Each part is about 30 cm long. Also, you can see connection points each end of these pieces. Furthermore, you get 90-degree connector that will help to shape the design when mounting. And finally, the control box connects with the power, and you can see a small microphone built in to sync the light with the music. This power cord length is about 70.86 inches and the power input is 100 to 240 volts. Inside this tube, it has Govee's patent RGBIC tech installed, means it is capable of displaying multiple colors on the light bar simultaneously. RGB on the other hand can only display one color at a time. Furthermore, it can display up to 57 colors at one time and 16 million colors total, allowing for beautiful color combinations and following multicolors effects. You can easily set up this wall light connecting each part as advised in the setting up guide. Once you wall mounted, all you need is Govee Smart app. It is available in both iOS and Android Play stores. Then you can customize the wall light or choose with more than 40 plus dynamic scenes mode to choose from. Completely change your vibes with a single tap. Find multicolor moving scenes based on different emotions, nature elements and life activities. Let's find out what you can do with this smart app in detail. You can fully customize the colors you want to display and can control the brightness. With the effect lab option, you can try and apply a lot of different colors under different categories. Moving on, you can use this wall light as a timer or as a sleep wake up light. By the way, you get this feature with most Govee product. Then you get 4 different modes available to try. First one is music mode. With this, wall light can change the color according to the sound rhythm with 6 different display modes, and you can adjust the sensitivity or color option you want via the app. Second option allows you to customize the colors to display. It supports multicolor in line with the gradient transition. Using the app on screen guide, you can mix and match the colors you want to display. Furthermore, you can select colors from the color wheel, and also you can use warm or cold white options. Moving on to the next, it has more than 40 different lighting effects. You can choose from different categories such as nature, lifestyle, festival effects, and represent light effects under emotion categories. Well, let's quickly check few of those light effects from the list. With this DIY option, you can create your own lighting effects and share with Govee app community. And last, you can completely control this wall light using Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa. In my case, I managed to sync with my Alexa easily just following the on-screen instructions. You can turn on or off the light or even can change the color by voice commands.
Alexa, turn on wall light.
Okay.
Alexa, change wall light to red.
Okay.
Alexa, change wall light to green.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off wall light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on wall light.
Okay.
So this is pretty much all the features the Glide wall light has to offer. If you like to add an extra vibe to your day setup or to your gaming room, this is a perfect way to achieve it within a decent price tag. With the smart app, you can get the freedom of choosing your favorite colors, and with the music mode, you can enjoy your favorite tracks with some extra vibes. So with that all being said, feel free to let me know what do you think about this Glide wall light in the comment section down below. If you like the content, please hit the like and do consider subscribing to see more videos like these. Well, see you again with another one and stay safe.